Today, we're replacing the two drive belts on this 2014 Mazda 3 with the Skyactiv 2.0 engine. First, jack up the front passenger corner of the car. And remove the wheel. Now, remove the splash guard, which is in place with 4 plastic clips. Remove these 2 splash guard clips. Then, remove this clip on the wheel well liner to gain access to the 2 hidden clips. Now, working from up top, use a 17mm socket on the cast nut on the tensioner and relieve the tension by turning counterclockwise. And with the tension relieved, slide the belt off. The water pump belt doesn't have a tensioner, so we'll use a shop rag to remove it. Wrap the rag around the belt and use a 21mm socket to turn the crankshaft pulley. Pull on the rag as you rotate the crank to pull the belt off. Now install the new water pump belt. Wrap the new belt around the crankshaft pulley and get it started on the water pump pulley. Work the crank back and forth to get the belt seated. A serpentine belt wrench will make it a lot easier to install the new serpentine belt, but it's possible to make do with a regular ratchet. Start by wrapping the belt around the crankshaft pulley and AC pulley from below. Then, from up top, relieve the tension from the tensioner and slide the belt over the alternator pulley. Visually inspect to make sure both belts are seated properly on all the pulleys. Reinstall the splash guard and front wheel.